Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for an Ally Bank account, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Ally Bank website. Locate the Open Account button, usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Open Account button. You will be presented with different types of accounts to choose from. Select the type of account you wish to open. This could be a checking account, savings account, or other financial products. Once you've made your choice, click on the corresponding link. You will now need to provide your personal information. Enter your first and last name in the designated fields. Next, input your email address. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements listed. Confirm your password by re-entering it in the next field. Proceed by entering your phone number. Select your date of birth from the calendar. Make sure to provide your social security number for verification purposes. Next, enter your residential address. Full details will include your street address, city, state, and zip code. Review all information for accuracy before moving to the next step. Click on the Continue button to advance. You may be asked to verify your identity through a security question or email confirmation. Follow the prompts to complete the verification process. After verification, you'll need to link an external bank account for funding. Provide the required bank account details to initiate transfers. Complete the funding process by specifying the initial deposit amount. Understand any minimum deposit requirements that may apply to your chosen account. Review the terms and conditions associated with your new account. Once you agree to the terms, click on the Submit button. You will see a confirmation screen indicating your account has been created. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.